guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Musa and his sister's fallout. Longtime viewers of Uthando Nesithembu have started noticing something unusual. Musa's sister, who once played a significant role in his life, has been absent from recent seasons. Now reports suggest that the two siblings are no longer on good terms, leaving fans shocked and wondering what could have caused this unexpected fallout. Musa Mseleku has always emphasized the importance of family, making it even more surprising that his relationship with his sister has seemingly destroyed, while he has not openly addressed the issue in details. Speculation is growing about possible tension behind the scenes. Some believe family dispute over business or personal matter could be the root of the problem, while others suspect that his polygamous lifestyle and the drama surrounding it may have played a role. Over the years, Mseleku's sister was a familiar face, offering advice and sometimes stepping in during family disputes. However, her absence in recent seasons has not gone unnoticed. Fans have taken to social media, questioning why she is no longer involved in the show and whether there is a chance for reconciliation. Family fraud are not uncommon, but for someone like Mseleku, who preaches unity and togetherness, this situation raises many questions. Will he eventually open up about what really happened? Or is this a wound too deep to heal? For now, it remains a mystery. But one thing is certain, Mseleku's once close bond with his sister has taken a drastic turn, and it might be a while before things go back to how they used to be. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.